Why do 90% of football fans never miss a Liverpool match? Because it's always a spectacle. This Saturday, gear up for an electrifying Premier League clash as Liverpool takes on Bournemouth. Wondering how to catch the action live? For US viewers, stream it on Fubo, Sling Blue or DirecTV Stream. Prefer traditional TV? Tune in to USA Network and Universo. Fans outside the UK, no worries. Use a VPN like NordVPN to access your usual streaming services. Kickoff is at 7 a.m. PT, 10 a.m. ET and 3 p.m. BST. Goals Live Match Centre will keep you updated with live commentary throughout. On the team front, Liverpool welcomes Federico Chiesa, fresh from his debut while Harvey Elliott remains out due to injury. Bournemouth sees Kepa Arrizabalaga back in goal, but Tyler Adams and Dango Ouattara are still sidelined. Don't miss this thrilling encounter. Stream it live and join the excitement.